shells, that's the shell that indicates you are on the right way to Santiago. So if you follow the shells, you get there. So another way to make sure you're on the right direction, follow the yellow arrow. That takes you to Santiago. Before starting the walk, actually, before taking the flight, I was asking in forums if I needed walking sticks, and a lot of people recommended to take them, and I really advise you to do so, because it takes a lot of the weight from your shoulders and your knees, and especially I've got lower back pains. I'm a grandpa, so it really helps to distribute the weight in that way. You don't feel it much in the knees and in the lower back. Alright, so getting ready. Before getting up, I bought this thing. It's like Vaseline, so I'm gonna give some moisture to your feet so they don't have any traction in the boots, and you can avoid the blisters.
It's so greasy.
That's what I wanted to tell you. As you need to wash your stuff every night. If they don't dry up, you just stick it onto your rucksack, and it's supposed to dry if the sun was out at least. So we just woke up, we didn't really sleep. It's such a struggle to sleep. So guys, be ready if you want to do this. You either need earplugs, but anyway, beds are not great. You sleep with like 10 other people in the same room. It's really tough. If you have a light sleep, especially as I do, it's a nightmare. Yeah guys, I forgot to mention, when you're walking on the road, just walk on the side of the opposite direction. So if you're walking straight, you're walking on the side where the cars are coming towards you, so you can see each other. Okay, don't walk in the same direction of the cars. That's a tip. Okay, one little tip guys, you will have some private albergues where you can actually reserve your room, and then you've got the public, like the Peregrinos albergue, where it's like first come first served, so you can't really book any room. So these guys are one of them, and I can't reserve any. Guys, this is the thing, it's raining. Temperature dropped like it's cold. 10 degrees from the previous town. One thing that is happening, the pilgrimage is becoming like a competition.
Yes, oh my god.
So people rushing to get a bed, and that kind of messes up the whole day.
Right, so context. So you've got municipal albergues, which are worth €5, as opposed to the private ones that are 10, alright? So everyone wants the municipal albergue. There's usually like 20 beds per albergue. And recently, the past 2 days, we don't know why, suddenly all the people have like multiplied. There's more people. I don't know if they've been like cells and split or what happened, but you know, there's suddenly more people. So everyone's getting up at like 5:30, 6 o'clock. They're getting out. They are walking so fast. You see, when I walk my Camino, I see cool things and I go off and I'm standing there looking at this amazing view and I'm like, guys, come and look at this. And they're like, no, we gotta go. I'm like,
time to go.
So yeah, people are running and not enjoying it, and it's a bit frustrating.
Yeah, and also when you get to town, because people get to the towns really early, so to the next stop really early, there's nothing to do. Like, it's so boring. Seriously, so you just hang out like doing nothing.
We're like
for hours, you know.
Let's play with the drone. Okay,
yeah. Luckily we have a drone and a GoPro to talk to.
Yeah.
But damn. Yeah. Bear in mind, that's one of the things to keep into consideration if you do this. Yeah. And it's also September, so it's not the busy season. It shouldn't be.
I know. The best advice is don't join the competition. Ignore them.
I met Lucy again. She just lost the card in the cash machine. Such a bad luck, man. Seriously. But yeah, bear in mind this is part of El Camino. Daily tip is about food. For someone like me that is always like hungry, I would recommend to carry some stuff, like maybe a protein bar, cereal bar, or just some snacks, or dry fruit. Because sometimes you wake up, you have no breakfast, you need to walk for a couple of hours before finding actually some food. So I would take something with you. Tip of the day is, people, don't believe the sign in terms of how many kilometers are left, because they really don't correspond to what it is for real. It's always more than what they say. Second quick tip of the day, If you're tired, if you're injured, there is a service called Correo. Basically, it's a courier that can take your bag to the next stop. So that's what we've been doing for the last couple of days, because a couple of us are injured, some are tired, so who cares, just do it. Walk is much easier, and yeah, it's not a competition anyway, so really not worries about that, you know. You're still a warrior and there's still a pilgrim, so we do what we can and you still enjoy the walk anyway. And usually that is like, it varies from 3 to 5 pounds, euros. I want to guide you quickly through this process, which is the mochila delivery service. So your rucksack, you pick one of these things up, like a form, you find it in the albergue, fill it in with your name. So on top you got your name, then your phone number, the place where you starting in the day, and the destination. Put the date, stick this thing onto your bag with an elastic band or something, and the delivery guy will pick it up, carry it to the next stop. Okay, I forgot to say, you stick the money in this envelope as well. That's an envelope, and we found a deal for 20 euros, 10 to 20 euros. They take it for a week, so instead of 5 pounds a day, 20 euros for a week. That's a deal. Entonces, brava. Look at this. And I was also going in the wrong direction. Always double check. Okay, we have a tiny morning problem already. Trying to get a car. The fee was 25 euros, but we don't have a credit card. So with debit card is 100 pounds. Sorry, 100 euros, which is a bit more, but we want to go. So, and the bus is more expensive anyway, so this is a good way to save some cash, put some petrol, ready to go. If you need advice, anything about the Camino, about my experience, if you want to ask things, just comment below, you know, I'm happy to answer. Thanks for watching. See you soon. God bless. Follow the adventures of my Camino de Santiago on YouTube and Mamo Air. Subscribe now for the video notifications.